Okay, so I don't know if that was recorded or not. I was trying to boot the system and from off of a flash drive, and I was saying that I think that this SSD may be bad and may be preventing the system from booting. So I hooked the hard drive back up, and we'll go from there, see if that might work. I'm a little confused right now because I don't know what might have recorded and what might not have. I mean, I know it's a USB 2.0 drive and it may take a minute, but like I don't even have any activity on the buttons here. Like if I hit caps lock, or nums lock, nothing comes up. So I don't really know what the computer's actually doing right now. I'm gonna give it a minute. It's 12:22 now. Oh, here we go. I never got that far when the SSD was in there, so now everything might be working. I don't know. Do I have everything hooked up properly? All right, so we're gonna install now. Like I said, so considering that I don't have the SSD now, everything I do from here, I'm gonna do with the hard drive when I upgrade the RAM and I upgrade the processor. By the way, I did order both memory and a processor, and I ordered thermal paste because I don't know if I have any that's good. That is weird. It has a whole bunch of weird partitions in here, so we're gonna it had like a 300 gigabyte gig unallocated space. That is bizarre. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. I know it's gonna take a minute because, you know, it's Windows. Well, not just that, but because it's on a hard drive and it's USB 2.0. I just got back from picking up something that is going to be in my very next video. I think hopefully you guys will be excited about that. Yeah, I thought I was recording, and then all of a sudden I hear the camera going beep, beep, beep. I look over and it says auto power off, so I might not have been recording. That is weird because, you know, I really thought I was recording, but we're at 12%. I'll come back when Windows is installed and I'll show you what we're doing. And let's just say that's about 20 minutes of my life I'm not getting back. Hopefully this doesn't take another 20 minutes. I was able to catch up on some business. I believe I already have a mower that I have not yet fixed for already sold, but you know, almost there. That's what she said. Sorry. I think this this particular USB thingy-mabobber. Oh God. Oh. That's bad. Give me a minute. So that was searing hot to the touch. It still is. Like I can't. But when I went to pull it out of the thing, the sleeve came off of it. That might have been half of my problem. All right. So Wi-Fi. We only have one Wi-Fi available, which is Eric's Variety Channel. All right. So we are on the interweb. I don't have like this internet's not gonna be super fast or anything. That is wild that thing was that hot and it came apart. Alright, so crap, I just did this stupid thing. Do I have the serial number handy? Yeah, hp.com/support. To say it needs the graphics driver, and I will need that for my next couple of things I want to do. I accept the privacy. So we got HP RP 5800 retail system. So that's what it would look like if it had an optical drive. We have Windows. We're just gonna try 8.1 64-bit. That would suck really bad if we can't get drivers. All right, so we have the Intel. Last one was 2014. Oh, is it downloading? Are we going through the no internet thing again? All right, I think I'm going to shut off the camera, do this stuff, and then I will get back to you guys in a couple. Holy cow, that's a 139 megabyte file, and I have very slow internet. All right, so I checked on this a couple times while I was out working on that lawnmower. Unfortunately, my internet's just not reliable enough here, and I can't get a steady download going. So we're gonna call this here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take pictures of the, we're gonna get pictures of the numbers, and I'm gonna take a flash drive home, and I'm gonna download the stuff, and then we'll finish the video at another time. All right, so I'm actually back 2 days later. I've installed the graphics drivers, I've installed the sound drivers, the chipset, and I think it's actually trying to do some Windows updates in the background, which I'll have to, yeah, I'm not activating my PC. Screw that. But let's see here. It is running at native resolution and all that. I want to do a couple quick things here. I want to do a couple quick tests. So in the last part of the video, you saw that I was having trouble installing on the SSD. I still don't know what happened there. So everything is still on the hard drive, which actually is not performing too bad. So I want to do a couple quick things. Though I should have put, let's see how it plays videos. Apparently not very well. Oh. I mean, it does bring it up at some point. And then these are straight files directly from my camera. Let's try Windows Media Player instead. That actually helped a little bit. Yeah, I'll try this one too. That one didn't help as much. I'm actually probably going to be disconnecting the internet in a minute so it'll stop doing Windows updates and I can, yeah, so this thing's not happy about playing videos. And this does have a built-in speaker. It took longer to pull the clip up than the clip actually was. So I'm going to go disconnect the internet and I'll be right back. Dang, that was perfect timing. I just finished working on a lawnmower. Well, actually, I'm not quite finished yet. Right now I have my truck charging the battery. Well, one of my trucks. But what I want to do is I want to run Cinebench R20 on here. The reason why is back here. Well, this is one of the reasons why. And it just finished up the Windows updates just as I came in. That was the perfect timing part. But I wanted to have those Windows updates finished before I did that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to speed up the footage of the run because I know this is going to be slow. Okay, so that took about 14 and a half minutes, and we got a 351 point average. It stayed at 2.89 gigahertz or 2.9 gigahertz, which is what the CPU is rated at. This is like the lowest thing on here. All right, now I'm going to open up this bag. Now, I don't expect this to really make that big of a difference as far as memory size, because here's what I ordered. They are each individually wrapped in green bubble wrap, which is weird. So I want to see if running in dual channel has any effect versus running in single channel. I'm missing a stick of RAM. Oh, no, I'm not. So this is Corsair Vengeance. I don't remember what speed it is. It's going to be a total of 16 gigabyte. It is 1600 megahertz, so that's basic. As far as DDR3 goes, it's nothing special. So that's my first upgrade. All right, so the system saw it. Memory size error. About information, 16 gigabytes. Oh yeah, you guys can't see that. My bad. 16 gigabytes. Press any key to continue. Save, changes, and exit. Are you sure? Yes, I am. What is this? Good. Whatever you are, I don't want you. Taskbar settings. Like, this is why I don't like freaking Windows, man. Like, you can't do squat. All right, so let's bring up R20 again. All right, so once that comes up, I'm going to go ahead and, all right, we'll see how this goes. Again, I'm going to speed up the footage. Alright, so this time we have 391 points. So it did boost up quite a bit. It was just under 13 minutes versus just under 15 minutes. So that actually worked out pretty alright. The double data rate, or not double data rate, the dual channel RAM definitely helped some. So that's pretty much all I'm going to be able to get done today, because I'm still waiting on other stuff to come in, and I've got some other issues going on with that lawnmower back there. So we'll see what we can get done. I need to get out of here. I got to get things ready for my trip. I wanted to get this out here. Hopefully I'll get the processor tomorrow, and if I get that in, I will go ahead and redo the same test. We'll put the processor in, but yeah. So welcome to part 2, I think. Yeah, it should be part 2. It's going to be a longer video than I would have liked, but that's alright. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.